Hi, this is Chris with American Hakko. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and use the preset temperature mode on the Hakko FX 888D. In order to use the preset temperature mode, we're going to need to go into the parameters of the station and turn on the preset mode. In order to get into the parameters of the station, we're going to turn the unit on while we're holding the up button in. When we do that, you can see that we're at parameter number 1. I'm going to press the up button to go to parameter number 11. Parameter 11 is the one that controls the presets. I'll press the enter button, and you see I've been showing the 0, meaning that the parameter mode is off. I'm going to press the up button to turn that to 1, turning that on, and when I press the enter button this time, it's going to show me 5P, meaning I've got 5 presets available, 5 are active. At this point, I can press the up button to choose if I want 2, 3, 4, or 5 presets to be active. I'll leave it here at 5, press the enter button, and now I'm back to parameter number 11. Now at this point I want to save these parameter settings in the FX888D. In order to do that, I have to hold down the enter button, and when I see a Y, it's asking me, yes, do you want to store these settings in the station? I'm going to press enter to say yes. Now that it's been set, now I can go ahead and use my preset mode. In order to use the preset, all I'm going to do is press the up button. And you can see I'm at preset 3, 750 degrees. To change the preset, I can choose preset 4 by pressing the up button, preset 5, preset 1, preset 2. When I get the preset that I want, I simply press the enter button, and I've made the temperature change. So as you see the temperature coming down to the preset of 700 degrees. If I wanted to make a quick change to 750, I don't have to go through and change each digit in the temperature the way I normally would. I would simply go to my preset, go from preset 2 to preset 3, press enter. And that's how quickly you can change the temperatures, and that's how you use the preset mode on the Hakko FX 888D.